Hello, welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 15 February 2013 and today is beautiful day. It's Friday and it's also beautiful because the market is going down rapidly on the gold daily 4-hour chart. So, yesterday we were talking about possible breakdown when the market was hitting support resistance at $1,635 per ounce. We are talking about gold daily chart we're looking right now. So we were running free webinars yesterday and the market was looking exactly like this, coming to the support resistance, and we're gonna come back in a few moments to talk more about this trade example. But let's start with Eurodollar daily chart, which is moving downtrend right now, but this is a typically ABC pattern, correction pattern, which I was telling yesterday that this chart doesn't really have a lot of strength of sellers, which the first part of this ABC correction showed us, and the second part could be running until this point or maybe a little bit lower, but there is a high probability that the market is gonna turn back to the upside with some strong buyers. And we are talking also about pound dollar chart daily, which was looking exactly like this yesterday, coming up to very important support resistance. But looking at the 4-hour chart, we were seeing that market was doing something like this yesterday. So it was slowing down. There was not too many sellers, not any buyers as well, but sellers were pretty much shallow. The market wasn't deep, strong, and right now the market is kind of turning around. Of course, we might have see in the future more sellers coming in, but this market right now is showing that there is no particular traders that want to significantly lower down the price to enter the short position and gain through the downtrend. So right now we might see some weak or stronger buyers. I don't know. We'll see what's going to happen. If the market's going to turn down lower, right now it's not the strongest point to enter the market even if it's going to hit the ground. So I was telling yesterday that it wasn't a special situation for trading at 4-hour and daily charts, so we skipped the chart and we were talking about the gold and other instruments. Gold was looking like this, exactly breaking down from those triangle pattern, which I always say at different courses and live meetings, that 4-hour chart and daily chart, if you see something like this, the probability is bigger to enter short trades. I mean, you don't enter here in the triangle hoping that market gonna break down, but if it's breaking down, you might be interested in some trades if it's doing something like this. So it's breaking down, it doesn't come back and meets important support resistance, or accelerate with price dynamics still in a downtrend. And that's what happened here today, the European day. So it's the best time to trade. Look at the hours. If we go by hours, we're gonna see there was a 9 o'clock in Europe, there was a 12 o'clock in Europe, and markets between those hours started to accelerate, making the situation that we could take around 300 points easily from this downtrend movement. And I was telling you about this, that gold is typically pro gaining instrument, so most of the time it's really the price is moving in uptrend, but when it's moving a downtrend, it's very rapid. It's kind of plunging, so it's very fast downtrend movement, and you might use it, but you have to be very careful. You have to take your profits from the first part of the trade very fast and then see what the second part of the trade gonna give to us. Right now the price is moving up to 1610. If it's going to move above it, it might tell us that this price range of meeting 1600 point, 1600 per ounce, it meeting like too much buyers when it's gonna meet $1610 point, and it's gonna still be moving upwards. But sometimes the upward movement is very slow, and it's showing there's not too many buyers, only there's a lack of sellers, so nobody's really selling. That's why it's going up. But if it's moving, if it starts to move aggressively, then we have to quit the second part of the trade, take the profit from this part of a downtrend movement. I'm telling more about this kind of trade, like easy trades, easy pattern, like winning patterns that occur every sometime in the market at different instruments. How to take those trades, because you exactly have to know like what kind of strategy you have in order to take the profit from this in such moments easy market, we could say, but really it's never easy. So if you don't have a really strategic plan, if you don't know exactly what you are doing, if you don't know the instrument and how it's moving, most possible way, you're gonna turn out like with little profit, no profit, or losing trade, even though the market went really in favor. So thank you very much for watching. I'll try to update with some trade examples in near future, even though I'm not posting too much video technical daily analysis and trade examples at forexistrading.com, because I'm sometimes really busy with trading, with running another website like forexisttrader.com in another language, and to do a lot of courses for different people, to introduce some people like beginners and very advanced traders as well. So we run different projects, and sometimes there's just not enough time for me to enter the English website and give our technical analysis in English, different languages, and meet different people in different platforms. So thank you very much for now. I hope to see you in some future, or you can see some more video examples at forexistrading.com. Thank you and take care.